Hi, good morning. We are here with autonomous trading. Today we are live with the crash in AVIS. This is one of the largest profits for the year. It is in fact a complementary stock pick which you find on the blog of the company. We downgraded this stock to junk at a price of $54, reiterating a strong sell at $50, naming it a top priority on the short side with a massive short position. Where can you find these stock picks for small investors? And also a reason for them to be making 800% within the first month of investing in the markets. You have it here on the website, limited fun special bundles. I repeat, CAR, AVIS, it is one of the companies discussed for small investors. In service as bot 10, artificial intelligent bot 5, and so on. You have it here live on the tape, AVIS at $33.60. I remind also those that are interested in investing in the markets that not less than 1 month ago, analysts, they were upgrading or raising targets in AVIS to $69. If you have questions, you can Google or you can contact us and we'll be pleased to send you the links when on CNBC they raise the targets to $69 in a company ahead of a crash. And with this, I terminate. Thank you.